In this video, we're going to discuss the TriCleanAir dissolved oxygen generator and a DO15, which is capable of up to 15 gallons per minute. Can be linked together for larger applications. Here we have the TriCleanAir DO generator. This is a dissolved oxygen generator that we build in-house. We start with an agricultural grade O2 machine that's capable of producing 10 liters per minute. We take the O2 that this unit generates. You set the O2 level here. It will come factory set at 8 liters per minute. We like to keep it at that for maximum O2. We then use a dental grade oilless compressor to compress the O2 into a tank where we can get up to 150 psi. This device has two settings that have to be adjusted. One is your flow rate that's leaving the machine. One is the pressure leaving the machine. These two get set for the flow rate that's going through your irrigation system. We provide a chart that shows the different options for that setting. The second part of this system is the actual dissolved oxygen manifold. We make this in a 15 gallon per minute size. We also make it in a larger 40 gallon per minute size. We can also add double, triple to create any flow rate that is needed. The O2 is going to be coming through a 1/4 inch push fit tubing. It needs to enter into the top of the manifold. Then you have two water ports. Depending on the unit and the way that we have it spec'd, we put different size fittings, usually a 1-inch fitting for a 15 gallon per minute system. You will supply your water coming in via the bottom port, and this will be the water coming out. We usually recommend, which via directions, building a bypass so that if you ever need to maintenance the system, which maintenance on this system is very simple. In the bottom of this unit, you will see another fitting. At sometimes we like to crack that fitting and allow the whole system to drain and air to purge through it. We usually like to recommend to do that at least once every 3 months. Let it sit for about an hour, seal it all back up, repressurize, and keep going. While that's going on, if you have the bypass set up, you can still have your facility at full function.